Welcome. In less than 10 minutes, I will show you the easiest way to create the highest quality world for any game you want to play on Foundry Virtual Tabletop. I promise that you will learn amazing old school world building using 100% free online tools because you will watch me create a world from scratch right in front of you. Let's begin. Open Foundry Virtual Tabletop, install the game system you want by selecting the Install Game System button and typing in the name of the system, then click Install. That should look like this. Go to Game Worlds, select Create World, add the name of your world to the world title and data path, add the game system. I already created my world and named it Western Frontier. Here's what my world looks like. After that, select the Launch button. This brings us to our new world and our first free tool. We need to create a world map. Here's what the Western Frontiers world map looks like. You can create this world map for free right now. I am not joking. Take your mouse and scroll down. Click this, open up the details. Then you click right here to download a free version of Worldographer, which allows us to create high quality world maps for free. Download and install the version that matches your computer's operating system. It should look like this when you're done. So it should look this, and then you hit the download button, and then it'll pull up into your computer like this. Go to the top left, click on File, click on World/Kingdom Map, go to the right hand column and change the terrain generation settings however you want. Then click the Update Preview at the top until you are satisfied with the work, and then select Generate Map at the bottom right. Then you go to the right hand column and you select the Layers tab, right? Then turn off Grid. Then click on the Terrain tab and edit however you want. Click on the Features tab to add buildings. So let me go ahead and add some terrain. Now let me add some buildings. Final step, zoom in using the scroll wheel until the tile width is at least 100 in the top right. Go to the top left, click on File, click on Export Image, click Continue, and then enter the DPI as 600. Then select OK, and then save your new world map into your Foundry Virtual Tabletop data file. So for example, I will have saved it here in my art file. Congratulations, you just created your first world map. Go into Foundry, select the Scenes tab, which is right here, the Map button. Select Create Scene, add a scene name, which I'm going to name Test. Add a scene name here, and then click on the Background Image button here, and then you would go and you would find where you saved your world map and you would select it. After that, you would click Select File, and that'd be done. And then you click Save Changes. And it should look something like this when you're done. Change the lighting to global illumination so your players can see the entire world map if you want. Change the other settings as desired. click Save Changes when you're done with everything. The next step is creating your tokens for your game. So take your mouse and scroll down on the video until you hit the video description. Then click here to download hundreds of high-quality tokens made by an amazing artist. Extract the tokens from the zip file and copy and paste them into your Foundry Virtual Tabletop data file. Same place as where you saved your world map. Now, when you go to create your characters, you can add those images to your actors. Here's an example. So I go there, I download all the tokens, and then I go back into Foundry. I go into the scene, which I've named a Hero's Welcome. I go to the Actors tab right here. I create an actor. I'll name the actor Test. Create the actor. Click the Edit button. And then I change the portrait to whatever I want based on the hundreds of tokens that I have downloaded. So I'll go here and I'll go to top-down tokens. It should be named FA tokens, but I changed the name because I like top-down tokens better. And then I'll go ahead and make an elf. And I'll make it a elf necromancer. Select file, and there it is, elf necromancer. And this is what you should look like. Here is the last step to creating an amazing world. Scroll down in the video description and click here to help me create more amazing videos. And then click here to receive free town and city artwork. So download your preference of artwork, and if you have other artwork that you want to use for your town or city, I welcome you to use it. So it should look something like this, and you take whatever artwork you want as long as they give you permission. Then you go back into Foundry, select the Scenes tab in the top right, then click Create Scene, then you add a scene name, which I'm going to say as Artwork. Then hit Create Scene, then click on the background image button, then I'm going to go and navigate to where I saved that artwork. Pretend I saved it here as Map of Phandalin, and then I hit Select File, and then I hit Save Changes, and it should look something like this when you're done. After that, change the other settings as desired for lighting, or grid, or basic. I made many more world building tutorials and recommendations on how to improve Foundry Virtual Tabletop on my YouTube channel. Please take your mouse and scroll down from the video and select my name here to see many more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.